Sneha, you are from beta?
Sir, I hail from Rudrapur, Udham Singh Nagar.
Very good. So what is our topic today?
Sir, I would like to speak on the topic women empowerment.
So she would like to speak on the topic women empowerment, right?
Yes.
So your time starts now.
Okay, sir. So, a very heartwarming greetings to one and all present over here. So, myself, Sneha Siroi, I would like to speak on the topic women empowerment. If I talk about the word women, if I pronounce the women word, then it something sounds like we men's. Then we have the equal capability to do work like men's. And in the today's scenario, we can see that women are capable of doing everything, every work she is able to do. In the every field, she is splashing in every field. We can see whether it is defense, engineering sector, whether it is doctor, engineering, she is doing very great in every level. So if I talk about that, what our government is taking initiative. So once Mahatma Gandhi has said that if one day when a girl or a woman will able to walk in the night alone, then we can say that our India has achieved the independence. So our government is still taking initiatives, a step forward to build up our India, a women empowerment country. So many initiatives, many goals our government is taking, like Ladli Behan Yojana, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao Abhiyan, and many more like goals. And yes, we are being successful in that, and we are achieving our goals. And if we see that in earlier ages, means our 70 to 85% of the people of India resides in the villages. They were having conservative thoughts and orthodox mind that why we should literate a girl child, why we should educate a girl child. So our government is also focusing on that villages areas also. They are providing loans to the women so that they can be able to stand on their foot, they can be independent, they can be self-dependent, means they should not be dependent on others. They can start up their own business, and the girls are providing monthly incomes also, like 2,000 rupees per month or something. Help them to send them for the higher education in the cities as well. So yes, we are successfully we are doing this. Thank you.
Very good.